Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for creating stunning designs using Canva. Today, we're diving into the world of weddings and showing you how to design elegant wedding invitations with Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful and personalized wedding invitations. Whether you're a bride, groom, or wedding planner, you can design invitations that perfectly match your wedding theme. Let's get started. First, head over to the template library and search for wedding invitations. Canva offers a wide variety of templates to choose from. Select one that fits your wedding theme and style. Customizing your invitation. Now, it's time to customize. Change the text to include your names, wedding date, and venue details. You can also add images, icons, and illustrations to make your invitation unique. Canva's drag-and-drop feature makes it easy to move elements around and create a layout that suits your vision. Choosing fonts and colors. Choosing the right fonts and colors is crucial for creating an elegant invitation. Canva offers a variety of font styles and color palettes. Pick fonts that match your wedding theme and colors that complement your overall design. Adding decorative elements. To add a touch of elegance, incorporate decorative elements like borders, flowers, and patterns. Canva has a vast library of design elements that you can use to enhance your invitation and make it stand out. Reviewing and finalizing. Once you're happy with your design, review your invitation to ensure all the details are correct. Make any final adjustments needed to perfect your invitation. Exporting and printing. Finally, it's time to export and print your invitation. Download your design as a high-quality PDF or PNG. You can print it at home or take it to a professional printer for a polished finish. And that's it. Designing wedding invitations with Canva is easy, fun, and allows you to add a personal touch to your special day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.